Hey folks, what is going on? Here I am Joel from IT Buddies channel, and this is the introduction video about our project that we are going to build. So if you want to add an e-commerce project into your portfolio, then you are in the right place because we're building the complete e-commerce web API with the help of Node.js and Express.js, and for database stuff I am using MongoDB. This tutorial is for you if you want to get knowledge of backend development, because having Node.js on your resume helps you a lot. Now let's understand what tool we will use to build this project. So first is Node.js, because Node.js is very powerful backend JavaScript library to build runtime environment, and this is the most popular JavaScript library among developers. Then the second tool that we will use is Express.js. So Express is a framework of Node.js, and the primary use of Express is to provide server-side logic inside our web API. Third tool that we will use is MongoDB, and this is for database, and this is the NoSQL database. So here the concepts are used of collections and schemas unlike SQL tables. Now let's move to our fourth tool, that is Postman, and this is the most popular API client, and it makes the works of developers easy to send and receive HTTP request and response. And the last tool that we will use is JWT. So the full form of JWT is JSON Web Token. So this is used for authentication stuff, because inside our program we apply a logic like if our users have this token, then they will allow to access our API routes, otherwise not. So this is the why JWT is used for, and here's the what you will learn after completing this project. So the first thing that you will learn how our backend RESTful API actually works inside an e-commerce, or you can also say on e-shop applications. Along with that, you can also have the knowledge of this asynchronous JavaScript, because inside our program we use a function that is await. And the third thing that you will learn about modern JavaScript features like ES6 and ES7, and inside our project we also apply our Express and Mongoose middleware. So Mongoose is basically used inside Node.js to call our MongoDB, and when we save our file, the first thing that is compile our middleware before running our project. So the fifth things you will really understand how we do our CRUD operations. So the full form of CRUD is create, read, update and delete, and you will also understand how to store and receive the complex data in MongoDB, because we will actually apply advanced Mongoose queries to call some of the operations, and here we are using the concept of relationships between database collections. So there will be the relation between our product and categories models inside our web API, so they can actually interact with our user. Second last thing that you will understand is about JWT, and that we will use for user authentication. And the last thing that is users roles, because inside our project there will be a different roles for our users and who are admins. So we will complete this project in three sections. First section is for how to prepare our API server. Second one is how to create our products and categories model. And the last section that we apply logic for our users role and authentication stuff. Here each sections have three parts around 15 minutes, so you can easily understand about our project. And while programming our big API, if you got any error, then don't worry. Here this is the URL of my GitHub repository code. You will find here each and every part's code. So you can simply copy the code inside your machine. So this URL you will found inside each and every part's description for your simplicity. Now I hope you guys are actually excited to build our e-commerce web API, and if you want to start this tutorial, then the section 1 part 1 video link is in the description, and you will also get the full playlist link of this project in description. So if you like this tutorial, then share it with your friends. Now the last thing that I want to say, if you are visiting first time inside this IT Buddies channel, then don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell notification on, because here I always come with the most trending project, so you will get instantly notification about each and every project of mine. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.